So one thing that Abbotsford does not have a lot of, for whatever reason, is 1 acre estate lots. You don't want to have acreage with all the work, but you need to have something bigger than that bigger lot. Well, we're on the perfect property here. This is on Verdon Way in Abbotsford, and this house happens to be owned by Andy Friesen from Su Casa Design. You've heard of his name before. His name is synonymous with perfect design, and his house, his personal house, is exactly that. Let's have a look, and we'll talk to you in a bit. From the moment you walk in the front door, you feel like you're in a restoration hardware catalog. Everything is in its perfect spot, designed excellently, tons of bright space, especially in the open and bright sunroom that was added onto the house after the property was purchased. The beautiful thing about a 1 acre property is you've got space for everything. So you've got your amazing pool space, you've got your outside pergola area. It's great for sitting with your friends and family around the fire table. Then you also have your basketball area in the backyard, and then lots of space for the kids to play in the yard. Well, what can I say? There's not too many words more that I can provide to talk more about this property, but why not finish at the pool? So anyways, we'd love to show this property to you. Reach out to us anytime, info@hardyteam.ca, or if you're just curious about the value of your property, again, reach out to us anytime. We look forward to talking to you soon.